everyone, welcome to Art Around House. I am Kala Ponnuri. In today's video, we are going to make this home decor. And can you guess what these bells are made of? I am going to show you. These are the different top portion of the bottles, and here is what else you will need to make this. The first step is we have to cut this part of the bottle using this knife by heating it. You can do this step while cooking instead of wasting gas. The next step is to paint this using the Fevicryl acrylic color. After giving 2 coats of paint, let it dry completely. And now, to cover this unfinished part of this portion, we are going to use the M-Seal to cover this rim. And before it becomes totally dry, you place this wooden bead in the center. And always remember, while using M-Seal, first apply coconut oil in your hands and then start using it. After we are done with the M-Seal part, now we'll make some design on the bottle using this Fevicryl 3D outliners. Here we'll make use of the existing design on the bottle. Now the bell is ready. We'll use this jute rope to make it ready for hanging. Now the bells are ready. You can hang them wherever you want in the house. But one more option is you can make this stand by yourself. So let's see how to make this. To make the stand, we need the paper rolls. Depending on the size of the stand, you can use any size of the paper. But here I am making the stand a little bit taller. I am using this calendar paper to get a longer paper roll. After making the paper roll, we need to trim the ends as they are not strong enough. To make the stand tall, we need to join two sets of straws. So here you can see the first set of straws are in different lengths. That is the reason behind is when you join these two sets, they will not get any support if they are in the same size, mean the same length. Here you can see I numbered the rolls so that when I place the rolls on each other, the length of all the 4 rolls will be equal. Here we are using this top portion of the bottle as a base to make the paper rolls stand with this help of this M-seal. Take any plastic cap of a bottle and make a hole and fix it like this way. And we have to fix this 6 paper rolls this way with the help of M-seal. After the M-seal becomes hard, now remove the rubber bands and paint it. After finished painting, this is how it's going to look, and you can hang the bells this way. If not the bells, you can use this stand for hanging planters also. So this is what Art Around House is all about. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please leave your suggestions in the comment section below. Thank you.